Some jobs don't leave room for compromise. River crossings, pipeline bores, crossings that take months of engineering before the first rod goes in the ground. The UNI 250 is engineered around 20-foot drill rods, delivering a compact footprint that fully complies with standard transportation requirements. No special permits, no additional logistics. It mobilizes as easily as any conventional piece of equipment on your job site. Despite its compact size, the performance is uncompromising. With 250,000 pounds of thrust and pullback, 40,000 foot-pound of torque, and 400 horsepower, the UNI 250 delivers true pipeline-class capability in a self-contained platform. And that is the key advantage: self-contained efficiency. Traditional Maxi rig operations require multiple machines, multiple crews, and significant setup time. The UNI 250 changes that. Everything on one platform. An onboard mud pump delivers 314 gallons per minute at 1,200 psi. Bore stable, hole open, regardless of ground conditions. The integrated crane handles pipe directly from the rig. And the heavy-duty rod loading system does the rest. Pipe to carriage in under 5 seconds. Fully automatic. Controlled from the cab. Safe and fast. The cab seats 2, rig operator and locator side by side, panoramic view, climate controlled, full communication, full control. One machine, one crew, one setup, lower cost from day one. UNI 250, built for the project that cannot fail. UniversalHDD, custom-engineered drilling systems for the projects that matter.